time already? Oh, that was quick. Hello, fellow bees. Lovely spring, isn't it? Oh no, it's that bee that all the other bees hate for absolutely no reason. Hey, let's swarm out of here, you guys. Let's leave this loser be. Oh man, not again. That's it. I give up. I'm just gonna go sting somebody and end my suffering already. Oh! Oh, hello there. Oh, it's a bee. Hello, bee. So you want to mate or what? What the hell kind of question is that? What? How is that even supposed to work? A bee and a bird. How are a bee and a bird supposed to? What? Oh. Well, that's actually a good point. I don't know. Yeah, it just doesn't make any sense, you know? Like, how would... yeah, I guess you have a point there. Point. Yeah, it's funny. I mean, though, I'm not really doing anything else. You know, sorry. Okay, then what's the worst that could happen? Look at our child. It's so beautiful. Kill me. Oh, I'm so proud. I'm glad that we did this. Oh, now it's dead. Shit. And that's the story of the bees and the birds, son. I knew I shouldn't have gotten out of hibernation.